Okay, so this is my second recording. I'm gonna try and go faster because the last one was way too long. So here we go. So this is so I worked on the game selection page, game one, and a little bit game three, not a lot of it. It was mostly just helping and talking and planning. And for everything, I was the one that reviewed it, and I basically gave all the revising feedback because our group didn't get any feedback from anyone. And then um, game three is also one that I worked on with Jake. So really quickly, let's go over these. I'll try and keep it fast and simple. So we declare all our buttons, our stuff. We make the image for the background. That part is for the image. This is again creating canvas in the image, and then we draw the image, and then this is for a text up here. So this gives us the game selection page text. Then here it's our first button, draw animal order. It runs a function that plays the link for a game of animal order, so you can play it. And then this one does a mix and match, link, same thing, function for mix and match. Everything, this is all for styling, all for appearances, the position, the font you can see here, the size, the color, everything. And this same thing draws memory match our game. This draws our home screen, so it can go back. And then so these are the functions. This is the animal order function. This is the mix and match function. You can see these are all their links. Everything's links are here. You click it, it works. So you would click this, it would go to that link. You click this, it would go to that link. You click this, it would go to that link. Everything. All right, next game. This is the card game. So the reason that we chose a card game with animals is because simply animals we thought wouldn't have enough skill at development. So we decided that we'd include the cards as well to stick to our so that we can stick to our farm theme with animals, but also keep old people with dementia because usually dementia is in older people. We would keep the cards, keep them more entertaining so there can be more variety and it would actually challenge them a little bit more. So here we can look the code, we declare everything, we declare our deck, we declare a message, everything. So here we're making the words equal to the images so that we can actually be creating the images once we're calling for it. And we have an array here, which is, I mean, like it's making everything. So that way we're going to refer this a lot later for randomizing everything. So you can see here, when we're shuffling, we're taking it from full deck, and which is this. And then we're pulling out card one, card two, and card three because we want our three cards. And then so this whole function is to do that, and we create our background. And so next the next level, they're gonna go to the next level, etc. So that's our button next for next level, and it's our just organizing and everything. And so it's our button for main menu and our button for a new set, which was created later on after revision by me. Um, so that basically just makes a new set of cards. So that way the user can do it just from straight from that page. And so this draws our cards, our three cards. This prompts them that they want to indicate card, and you can see this is a dynamic call to the card. So it's based on whatever card is pulled, and the one that is desired that the computer chose through randomization is what it displays here. So like pick dog, as you can see. Um, so then this is just for levels and everything. And it prints out level one, it prints out memory match at the top. You can see here. Um, then this checks the selection, and you can see if the mouse is pressed in the area, it checks if the selection is what we want. And you can see this is the checking selection code, and then this is the next level code to take us in next level. And this shuffles the card. This was a function that we got some assistance from online, but we didn't take it from a direct source. It was mostly just researching the logic behind making a shuffling function. This is load a new set. This was added later. And this is about the same thing. We're just making, again, the cards and everything. And then these are links to our next pages. And level six is basically the same code. You just have six cards, as you can see, six cards instead of the three we had originally. And this is level two up here. And the new set and everything works. If you want, I can show you. There we go. See, we get new cards every single time. Um, Same idea. The main thing that was changed here, everything else is basically the same. We have six cards here. We have six cards here. Obviously, the styling has changed because of the dimensions and shapes of the cards, so we have to change all these numbers. And this was actually probably one of the most grueling part because I had to adjust everything and I was trying error. I probably like changed this like 15 times just get the perfect like appealing dimensions to cards. Let's keep going. Checking selection is more obviously because we have more cards. Let's keep going. Again, the new load new set button is also different. Okay. Then the third game, I help with both levels, but I'll be going over about the first level just because that's what my friend was able to share with me. So as you can see, let me reset this so we can actually see the thing. Um, I'm waiting for it to load right now. So I'll start going over the text while this loads. Okay, here, see, you can see the three cards. It'll say remember animal. We'll have a certain time. This will go away after a while. See, then you have the drop down menu. You can reset, submit, everything. All right, so let's go here. So we make the images again. Same thing, an array. This code was taken from the original memory match game. That was the first thing we made. Again, randomizes the cards. Um, then we make the buttons for submitting, resetting, main menu, etc. And you can see we assign the functions to them. And so here we shuffle the cards to get random ones. Um, and oh, it's for shuffling inside the drop down menu because the drop down menu, one issue was that it was showing an exact order that the animals were. So that was a bug. So I had to fix that. Then this makes display the certain time basically so that the animals disappear from the screen. So then this is the text giving them directions. Then this tells them which animal to pick. Again, dynamic. Um, this is drawing the animals on screen. The formatting, everything is checking the answer, and it clears the previous message that was on the screen, so that when we were like resetting everything, you can see it. And yeah, so then the shuffles, styling, and the buttons next pages. That's all. And to be honest, if I were to be honest about our project work distribution, this is probably the most crucial part of the video. One of our major issues was the work distribution. I would say most of the project was done by me and Elise. I would maybe a little bit biased, but I think even from an unbiased perspective, it's pretty apparent that most of the work was done by me and Elise. So that's what I'll share.